Roman numbers are basically numbers invented by Roman which uses combinations of letters to signify values. Hello and welcome to Little Champs Learning. Quickly today we will learn about Roman numeral. First thing about Roman numeral, you should know that they don't have a symbol for zero and they don't follow place value. Okay, let's start quickly the topic. So Roman numbers are basically, you can say, fancy numbers. You may see on museums, you can see on analog clock, in the book, or at many places you may find them. Now, there are 7 symbols which consists of the whole Roman system. So let's learn what are those. We have I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I represent 1, V is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C 100, D 500 and M is 1000. I is just 1, it is so easy to remember. V is victory sign, 5, X is 2, V is 10, L I could not find anything, C is century, D again I could not find anything for D, and M is for miles. Since you have a term LCM, on basis of that you can again remember LCDM. Okay, this was the first part, like how many symbols are there and what it represents. Now there are certain rules which Roman numerals follow, so let's look at the rule. So you have I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Now here I, X, C, N, M. These are the 4 symbols out of 7 symbols which can repeat itself. So I, X, C, M can repeat itself, and if it is repeating, then maximum 3 number of times. Please write down. IXCM can repeat itself. Now you have VLD, which is 5, 50, 500. They cannot repeat themselves, they cannot be subtracted. This is the one and the most important rule of Roman numeral. So as I told, IXCM can repeat itself. So how can it repeat? And that is a rule of addition, where if I have I can write 1. If I write 2I, so a symbol is written next to another symbol, it means addition. It is 2. Then I can write I, which is 3. Now I. This is not allowed in Roman numeral. A number, if it is being repeated, can be repeated itself maximum 3 number of time. 4th time is not allowed. You may have another symbol, or there is a rule of subtraction which will come. Now if you have X, it is 10, 2x, 2, 10, 20, 30 and 4x are not allowed. Same goes for C and M also. Repetition of symbols, these 4 symbols are allowed in Roman numeral but only 3 times. Then we saw VLD, 5, 50, 500. Please anchor this in your mind, they cannot repeat itself. Like I have 1, 5. V and V is 10, 5 and 5, but I have another symbol for Roman numeral 10. So this is not allowed. Same, L is 50, and if I write 2L, it becomes 100, but I have C for it, so this is not allowed. Now let's move to the next rule of Roman numeral, I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Now rule of subtraction. So I can be subtracted only from V and X. Then X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. Please remember this way of doing. This becomes really very easy, this trick, so you can remember. I is 1. Now the rule of subtraction is what? You have a number, say 1. Okay, rule of this is 1 and this is 5. So a smaller number comes before a bigger number. If a smaller number is coming before a bigger number, that is subtraction in Roman numeral. So you call this as 5 minus 1, 4. Again, I have a smaller number 1 before 10. So I will write 10 minus 1, which is 9. Here I have 10 and this is 50. 50 minus 10 is 40. Here I have 10 and this is 100. 100 minus 10 is 90. Here I have 100 and this is 500. So this is 400. And same way this is 100 and 1000, so this become 900. Now we can write quickly now Roman numeral up to 1000. It is very easy to do that. So let's quickly start. So if you have to write 1 I 2, I 3. Now as I told you, writing 4 times I is not possible, so I will take 5 and minus 1. Rule of subtraction applies here. So this is 4, 5. Then you can write 5 plus 1 is 6. 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. as you know, repetition of v is not allowed, right? So 6 I have to write like this. 7, and repetition of digit is allowed only 3 times. Now I cannot do. So what will come at the place of 9? And for 10 you have a symbol. So 10 will come to rescue, and 10 minus 1. A smaller number is coming before a bigger number, so this is 9. Hope you understood. Let's see one more slide. So I have 11, 12, 13. If the symbol is repeated maximum 3 number of time, I don't have anything for 14. But I can write 15 like this. 16, 17, 18 and 19. 10 to I got, but 9 again I got confused, and 20. So let's look at this. How can we solve this? So now if I have 15 as I wrote 5 is this, and if a smaller number come before 5, so 5 minus 1 will become 4. So xiv, this is 14. And for same goes for 9. This is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. So this becomes 9. Like this you can write a Roman numeral up to any number. So let's see: 31, 32, 33, 34, and then you have 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Then again you cannot write 4 times x. 40 you don't have anything, but 50 ke liye you have a symbol. So I will write 50 minus 10, which is 40. So XL is 40. Then you can continue XL1, XL2, XL3, XLI4 and go on. For 41, 42, 43 you can write. So that is homework also. Please write in the comment section 41 to 60. That is your homework. Hope you have understood. So I am just uploading 1 to 100 Roman numeral chart. Just look at that, and if you have any difficulty, do let me know. Just last thing which I want to say is L. L is 50. If you want 40, then it is XL, 50 minus 10. If you go LX, it becomes addition, 50 plus 10. Then repetition of symbol is allowed, then it is 3 times. LXX 70, LXXX 80. Now you have 100 here, you have 90 here, and you have 110 here. Now since C is 100, 90 and 80 is LXXX. So 90 is what? 90 cannot be LXXXX. So C will come to rescue. C 100 and minus 10. This is your 90, and 110 is 3x. Again it goes on. Let's revise one more time. Let's see. Say Roman numerals are the numerals which are invented by Romans to write numbers, and letters are used for the numbers. Now let's quickly revise the rules. So what we have learned, that a symbol I, X, C, M can be repeated, and if they are repeated, then maximum 3 number of time. Repetition of a symbol in Roman numeral means addition. V, L and G cannot be repeated. 0 is not having any symbol in Roman numeral. There are total 7 symbols for Roman numeral: I, V, X, L, C, D, N. I can be subtracted only from V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C, and C can be subtracted from D and M. I hope the Roman numerals was clear. Let's see you in the next video. Kindly like and share. Thank you so much.